Hey guys, welcome to System Test 2. We're doing it in the dark this time, so you guys can see the strobe better. It is on 30 candela, fixed candela, so we're going to start the video off with continuous, even though I hate continuous. It's loud. And I really need you guys to put in the comments what do you want to see, like, code-wise. And I'm going to be waiting for System Test 3 till I could get a bunch more devices, and then I will be start making system tests and all that when I get new devices. So I'm going to put my headsets on since continuous is loud. So if you guys can see me with the light, let me know. Make sure that's working better. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do a system reset, and let's do
Code 3.
Let's do code 3. Let's do code 3. So go into programming. Let's go down to system setup, NAC 2, and let's go coding. Let's do 1, and now I'm going to do something different. I'm going to pull it, and it's going to take about 30-40 seconds for it to alarm. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Let's wait about 30 seconds, because since I have a lot of troubles, I still have the same troubles, so yeah. I'm going to take this off since it's not, actually I'll keep it on. So wait. It's going to go into trouble, or it's going to go into system alarm. A few seconds. So you guys can hear the alarm a little better. And yes, that is a 30 candela strobe, so I said that in the beginning. Let's go ahead and put a system reset in. And let's do California code. Let's do California code. Put that acknowledged in. Let's do California code. Okay, programming. Let's do that again. Let's go down to system setup. If you guys want a tutorial on how to program the codings on a 9050 UD, let me know in the comments. Let's go down to 2. And California code is continuous. It'll have a 5-second delay, and then it will go off. Again, it'll have 5 seconds delay in each. Let's go ahead and pull it. Wait about a few seconds. Hold on. I think for the next system test, I think I'm going to take out all the troubles, or I don't know. Let's wait. Let's wait. I'll see if I can cut the video when I do this, so you guys don't have to wait. Actually, go ahead. 5-second delay. And yes, we do have audible sound. Oh. And then put a system reset. And let's do march time, last code. And let's do march time. And then let's wait. And this will be the last code on the pole station. And I don't know how I'm going to do the bonus room yet. I don't know if that's going to be possible, so hope you guys will understand. I may not be able to do the bonus room and may just have to be in here. But I am going to be getting a detector for over there. That little plate, that's going to be a detector, which I don't have the money for. But here we go. Go ahead and let's go ahead and system reset. And hope you guys liked the video, but go ahead and comment down below, subscribe. I'm trying to get more subscribers, and let me know if you guys want more stuff like this. System test 3 will be unknown at this time because I want to get new alarms for system test 3, so it may not be for a while. So hope you guys liked the video, and have a nice day.